In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur background in Lightroom Classic. Now, there is a very simple tutorial for us to get this done, and I'm going to show you here. So basically, what we are seeing right now is an image with three people. Ideally, you would want to have, let's say, for example, a good image with colored background. That way you would be able to see it better, but I'm just going to show you that it works also regardless of the image that you're using. Now, I'm going to go ahead and head over to the masking tool here. We're going to click this one and we're going to go ahead and click the subject. If, say, for example, the subject is not automatically detected, then you are going to have to manually do it yourself. So in this case, I think that matches quite well, so I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to manually do it. And then what you're going to do is head over to the subject here. If you're not seeing it, just go ahead and click mask and then click this one. And what you're going to do is head over where it says invert, and you should be able to see the background now being chosen. Now I'm going to go ahead and click show overlay. I'm just going to uncheck that one, and there are actually just three things that we are going to change. Texture, I'm going to go ahead and slightly increase this one. Clarity, and then what we are going to do next is sharpness. So the moment you do that one, you should be able to see that now the background has been adjusted. Now, what if, say, for example, you have already maxed the texture and the sharpness, but you're not yet satisfied with the blur or the amount of blur it has? What you can do is just right click on the mask, and then what you're going to do is click duplicate mask. Now, still the same thing. If you're not yet satisfied, just go ahead and try to duplicate it until you are satisfied. But again, in my case, I think mask 1 already works for me. I can then go ahead and just play around with the blur level here. So yep, that is how you're going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video.